We're doing 2 songs.
Hello?
I think this one's working.
Ah, good.
Yay, great. We want to celebrate today is a goddess. She was a goddess in Roman times, and she was a goddess in Celtic times. Her name was Sedlocenia, that is the goddess of long life. Sedlocenia, we know about her through a dedication by a former Roman soldier who was fed up of going to war and worshipped Sedlocenia instead as the goddess of long life and therefore the goddess of peace. His name was Lavareus. Her name was Sedlocenia.
Would you stand by my side and put right what's not right? Would you be by my side? Be by my side.
Okay, sorry.
That was it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah! So the next one
The
is...
next one, yeah. The next one is, I don't know if you know, but the city parliament and the Green Party fought hard for our town to be a city of sanctuary. So that was an achievement last year, and we'll hopefully stay like that. And we have
And the Labour
got a little
Party as
song.
well.
So we've got a chorus line, and if you want to join in, it goes like. Sanctuary, we are in sanctuary in this town. You're gonna join in. Sanctuary, we are in sanctuary in this town. When I came here to this town, I didn't know anyone. Didn't know where to put my head. Sanctuary, we need sanctuary in this town. We don't need sanctuary, we need sanctuary in this world. When I came here, it was so difficult. It was dark, I needed somebody. I needed someone by my side. Oh yes, I needed somebody, so I needed sanctuary. We need sanctuary in this town. We need sanctuary, we need sanctuary in this world. Want you to take more than now. I make friends in this town. I feel home and I feel it's my place. Sanctuary, we need sanctuary in this town. We all need sanctuary, we need sanctuary in this world.
too many conflicts for you and me. How do we cope in this situation with so many water stations? So we all need sanctuary, we need sanctuary in this town. We all need sanctuary, we need sanctuary in this world. We all need sanctuary, we need sanctuary in this town.
Thank you.
So yeah.